Mindset is the foundation of every success story. I mean, it's not just about what you think, it's also about what you believe and how you can act on those beliefs.
You know, for a lot of us, life is difficult right now. There's no getting around that. None. But there's two ways we can handle that.
A growth mindset sees possibility where others only see obstacles.
We can either succumb to it or switch up our mindset.
It finds strength in setbacks and learns from every stumble. And here's the best part. This mindset isn't something you're born with, it's something you have to build. Step one is to reframe failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey to it.
You see, switching up our mindset allows us to basically define what we're trying to do.
Each time you fail, you gain insight, perspective, and a chance to do better. Don't fear mistakes, embrace them. They are the proof that you're trying, and trying is how progress happens. Step two is to master your environment. Surround yourself with people who challenge and uplift you. Consume content that fuels your growth. Build spaces, both physical and mental, that encourage and focus your creativity. Your surroundings matter more than you realize, so choose them wisely.
When you switch up your mindset, it changes your course of action. It's your compass.
Step three is transforming your self-talk. Words are powerful, especially the ones you repeat to yourself. When you hear, "I'm not good enough," respond with, "I'm improving every day." Replace, "This is too hard," with, "I'm built for this, let's go." Your inner voice should be your biggest ally and not your harshest critic. Come with me on this journey. I want you to imagine this. 7 months from now, you've rebuilt your mindset from the ground up. Challenges don't intimidate you. They actually excite you. Setbacks don't stop you. They teach you. You've become someone who doesn't just dream, but takes action. Someone who doesn't just survive, but thrives. Picture yourself standing taller, feeling stronger, and living with purpose.
It allows you to take a bad situation and change it so that you can capitalize on what's a perceived weakness.
That version of you isn't far away. It's waiting for you to claim it.
Failure is failure, but it's also feedback for growth. A mindset shift is the difference between the two.
So, take action now. Write down one belief that's been holding you back. Cross it out and replace it with a new truth. One that empowers you, though. Commit to repeating it every day.
Your mindset on failure changing will lead to your success.
Mindset isn't magic, it's a decision made daily. And today, you're deciding to be unstoppable. Stay motivated.
Keep your mind in control. Keep your mind in control.